Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in. Today we're going to be making some fish croquettes. This is a very delicious snack that you can have any time of the day. So first off, for the preparation, we have some potatoes here that I'm going to be washing and cutting them because I'm boiling them. Now we have some salmon. I'm just adding some salt to the salmon right now, and I'm going to be adding some water while I bring it to a boil. It's going to boil for about 5 minutes. So now it's already heating up. It's going to boil for 5 minutes while I prepare the other ingredients. And I'm already peeling my potatoes, as you can see. I'm going to peel them, wash them. Right now they are already washed. I'm cutting them. So I'm going to be cutting them into little tiny pieces to enable them cook very fast. As you can see, our fish is already cooked. So I'm going to be using this same water to prepare the potatoes. So I'm pouring the potato into the same pot. I'm going to be boiling that till it's very soft. So this is one of the shavings I'm going to be using. I don't have breadcrumbs, so I'm using my all bran flakes. So I'm going to break this, crush it into powder size, as you can see. But feel free to use breadcrumbs. So now I'm washing my hands. I'm going to just use my hand to crush it to powder. So here it is. It's already crushed to powder. I'm going to set that aside. These are the spices and seasonings that I'm going to be using. I have garam masala. I have some tumeric, some onion powder, curry, Himalayan salt, black pepper, paprika, and some eggs. So feel free to reduce these seasonings if you like, or you can just stay simple and just use some salt. So now our potato is already boiled. I'm transferring that into my mixing bowl. So feel free to use any other instrument. I'm just using my spoon to mash it up. And I added the fish, and I'm going to mash this and mix it together. You can make it like mashed potato. So it's already done now. I'm adding some flour to it. And then all my seasonings I'm adding at this point. So I'm going to be mixing all this. I'll make sure it's well combined. At this time, I'm cracking my eggs. And I'll add it to the mixture. It's simply straightforward and easy to make. Now it's already mixed. So it's time to coat our fish potato in flour, egg, and all bran mixture, all bran shaving. So first off, I cut a little bit of it. I put it in my flour. I dip it in the egg and straight into the all bran powder. Like I said, feel free to use breadcrumbs, but I don't have breadcrumbs at the moment, so I had to improvise. That's why I had to use the all bran as my crumbs. So I just got a little bit of the fish potato, and then you can roll it, put it in the flour. Next, you dip it in the egg wash, and then the crumbs, and then you set it aside. So you continue till you finish the remaining. After this, you can put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes, or you can just go ahead and just fry immediately, which I'm going to be doing right away. Right now I have my oil. I already used this oil before, so I'm reusing it. And it's heating up on medium low. So I'm going to be dropping our fish croquettes into the oil. And I'm going to be frying this for about 5 minutes, or till it's really crunchy on the outside. At this point, I want to say thank you all to my subscribers, and those who haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe. Click on that red button that says subscribe. Feel free to share my videos among your friends and family, and I would really appreciate that. Thank you all. So I'm going to be flipping them. But if you're deep frying, you can just move them around. At this point, our fish croquette is done. So I'm going to be taking them out of the oil. I'll transfer them into a paper towel and a plate. And that's it. I really appreciate you all for watching. Kindly leave a comment if you like what you see. Leave a comment. If you have any questions, leave a comment too. And may God bless you. So that's it. That's the finished product. So nice and attractive. So I appreciate you all for coming, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye for now.